Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for Sagittarius fire sign. This is general love reading and this reading is remaining month of June. So what happened in your recent past? So this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So Sagittarius, your recent past. Okay, I'm not taking this. Sagittarius fire sign. So let's see your recent past. Six of Cups, Justice, the Tower. I think something is happening in your love life. Definitely the Tower. I think in past you both could be in separation, but in recent past there will be also reconciliation. Some of you definitely there will you reconciliation is already happened in past because justice is here. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Libra. Definitely there will be reconciliation for some. So in past there is separation, for some also already reconciliation is happened, for some it is going to be happen. So what is going on in your connection right now, Sagittarius? What is going on your connection right now? Okay, let's see. Seven of Wands, Five of Pentacles, Page of Cups. I think those who are in separation, definitely there is apology coming in your way, Page of Cups, and your person don't want to give up on this connection definitely, or you also don't want to give up on this connection because you both want this connection. Already for some there is reconciliation is already happened. For some those who are not in reconciliation, definitely there will be a chance because your person want to apologize you, messages coming in your way, communication is coming in your way. Your person don't want to give up on this connection. Obstacles is there but he want to fight for you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. This is another deck. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Guilt, maturity, harmony. So definitely sorry for the delay. So your person feeling guilt for what they did in past, so they want harmony with you. This is Ten of Cups. They want family with you, they want to reconcile definitely. So they're feeling very guilt and they want a brand new beginning with you. Ten of Cups here, harmony means Ten of Cups. They want family with you and maturity is here, Ace of Pentacles. So this is very good card. They want to offer long-term commitment to you, so they're feeling guilt for what they did in past. So they want reconciliation with you. Most of you already reconcile with your person. Definitely there will be a reconciliation because he want happiness with you. So let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Definitely reconciliation, big reconciliation. You both love each other. The burden, yes, without you they feeling very burden. Six of Swords, they want to make things better. Fighting, yes, Five of Fighting means Knight of Swords, they want to come towards you. Trust, yes, you need to trust the situation. Knight of Cups, it is coming. but slow. Definitely it will come, because Knight of Cups, trust here. You have to trust the situation. They want to fight for this connection, and without you they feeling very burdened. So definitely reconciliation is coming in your way. So Sagittarius, this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.